Yeah, I'm Shamla, and we've also been working with Drupal for over 4 or 5 years now, and like he rightly mentioned earlier that at that time when we started working in Drupal, it was like not so novel to be working in Drupal. We just chose it because we didn't want to get tied up to any proprietary solution, and we wanted to go with something which was open source. So it was really painful, the learnings that we had in Drupal 4, because there wasn't this big community, they didn't have this documentation. And figuring out something meant like, you put a print everywhere and trace the entire thing to know, oh my god, here we had integrated Moodle and Drupal, and like we didn't know what was happening where. But now it's more structured. I think even writing a contributed module or writing a theme, you have a set of instructions or a default module that you can just download and then just put in your PHP code and you have your module. So it's like a lot better. I hope you figure out and start using Drupal better. That's about it. I've been also actively participating now with the Drupal 7 for the marketing initiatives. So since you mentioned that you were interested in Drupal marketing, there's a group called group.drupal.org for marketing, which takes care of many of these initiatives. And like even this particular, Dora was mentioning this particular Drupal 7 page that they have created. Was actually done on collaboratively. Everything starting from the home page, everything starting from the content to the video here to the translations, everything is done by the community. And this is one of the issue queues that it has about 235 posts where they collated the marketing material. So, even for non-coders, non-programmers, there is a lot of opportunity to participate and share your, whatever you want to give back to the community, the marketing area. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get rolling, because at 8 I think Lisa is joining, and then we have Drupal cake to cut. I think our time has got shrunk because of a little delay. It's a weekdays.